How to set goals and actually achieve them. Welcome to Motivational Inform. Everyone talks about setting goals, but how many actually achieve them? If you've ever set a goal and struggled to follow through, this video is for you. Today, we'll break down how to set goals and actually achieve them using proven strategies that work. Stay tuned till the end for powerful success tips that can change your life. Let's get started. 1. Define clear and specific goals. First, goals need to be clear and specific. A vague goal like, I want to be successful won't get you anywhere. Instead, make it specific. I want to start a business that earns $5,000 a month within a year. The clearer your goal, the easier it is to plan your steps. 2. Use the SMART goal formula. To set effective goals, use the SMART method. S, specific. What exactly do you want to achieve? M, measurable. How will you track progress? A, achievable. Is it realistic? R, relevant. Does it align with your bigger vision? T, time-bound. Set a deadline. Instead of saying, I want to lose weight, say, I will lose 10 pounds in 3 months by exercising 4 times a week and eating healthy. This keeps your goal actionable and trackable. 3. Break goals into small steps. Big goals can feel overwhelming. The secret? Break them into small, manageable steps. If your goal is to write a book, start with write 500 words a day. Small steps lead to big results. 4. Create a plan and take action. Having a goal without a plan is like going on a road trip without a map. Plan your actions in a calendar or checklist and start immediately. Don't wait for the perfect time. The time to start is now. 5. Stay accountable and track progress. Accountability boosts success. Share your goals with a friend, coach, or mentor. Use apps or a journal to track progress. When you monitor your journey, you stay motivated and committed. 6. Overcome obstacles and stay motivated. Challenges will come, but don't quit. Expect obstacles and have a plan to overcome them. Remind yourself why you started. Watch motivational videos, like this one. Read success stories and keep pushing forward. 7. Reward yourself for progress. Celebrate small wins. Reaching a milestone? Treat yourself to something small. This keeps your mind motivated and creates positive reinforcement. Success is a journey. Enjoy the process. 8. Adapt and adjust when needed. Not everything goes as planned, and that's okay. If something isn't working, adjust your approach. The key is to stay flexible while keeping your eyes on the goal. Success is about learning and adapting. Now you have the blueprint to set goals and actually achieve them. Which of these tips resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Motivational Inform for more life-changing content. Remember, success starts with a goal, but achievement comes from action. See you in the next video.